Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video is episode 2 of women who inspired me to start sewing. This video is dedicated to Lisa and represent how she inspired me. I went ahead and sewed the toaster sweater. If you guys are familiar with her channel, she has made a ton of toaster sweaters, and yeah, without further ado, I'll go ahead and hop on over to a voiceover. So you guys know the routine. I'm basically going to talk over while I sew the toaster sweaters, both of them. And again, this video is dedicated to how Lisa inspired me. Lisa from And So On inspired me to, one, purchase this particular sewing pattern because I originally was not going to buy this pattern. I kept seeing it. I kept everyone talking about it. And I didn't get it. I was like, what? Why? Pero why? Why this pattern, you know? And I just didn't understand it because I couldn't even understand how to read sewing patterns properly at that time. And Lisa, as the more I watched her videos, the more I realized how much fun she was actually having sewing and crafting and kind of doing her own thing and kind of sharing her journey with her sewing and sharing what she was making. And the vibe that I get from her videos are always really easy and fun. And, I'm just kind of going with it. And that's basically what I was doing at the time too, except I wasn't enjoying it. I was kind of conflicted with my business. I was pushing and saying, I was starting to say no a lot more, and I was figuring out my prices, but I wasn't enjoying the process, and I found myself stuck. So when I saw her videos, and I saw just kind of like how the vibe that she kind of led off on her videos of just enjoying herself, enjoying the process, enjoying, what she was making and pushing for a handmade wardrobe. Now, don't get me wrong. Last year was like her year of sewing makes. She made so many items. I'm telling you guys, you got to go check out her videos, but she sewed so many items, and they're all unique. And what I really saw from her is how she, like, from both her and Erin, what I really saw from them is that they knew their personal style. It took a little tweaking, I'm sure, as any person, struggles with figuring out what suits their figure or what they like to wear. But Lisa really showed her journey on what she actually enjoys to wear, and she even talks about it in her videos of how she likes to sew her style and how she kind of notices a pattern of what she prefers to wear. And that really stuck to me because I don't know what I like to wear. I'm still trying to figure out what I like to wear. I'm still trying to figure out what I like to sew, and watching her journey and watching her videos really opened my mind to that. Oh my gosh. But really opened back to the sewing. Really opened up my mind to just enjoy the process, enjoy the ups and the downs, the failure and the successes. And not everything you sew is going to be, easy peasy, but a lot of the stuff that you do sew, you'll take pride in. And she rocked all of her handmade wardrobe. Like, she wore a lot of handmade items that she herself made, and she made like a capsule for her I don't know if she did it for all of her trips, but I know that she shared a lot of her capsule wardrobes for her trips, which is amazing. You know what I mean? And here is the toaster one. Very nice, very nice. Yes, follow me on Instagram. Hello. Okay, bye. But yeah, she shared all of her capsule wardrobes, and that was just so cool because I never thought that I could take my own items that I made and actually take them with me if I choose to travel, or wear everything that I sewed, or stop purchasing from stores. Like, she really opened up my mind to that. She opened up how, you don't have to, how you can make your own everything, and it's cool. She knits. I'm not a knitter. Nope. I'm not gonna knit. you know, maybe one day. But let me get sewing down first, you know what I mean? But she knits a lot of her makes too, and she knits socks, and she's just overall like what I get from her is just like an easy, fun going vibe. Take it like it is. It's all right, roll off the shoulder kind of thing. And she just, she makes it look so effortless. And I hope that I can grasp a little bit of that, because it makes all the difference when it comes to sewing, and sewing is not, one pattern fits all. And that's what I love about it. And that's what she was really able to dissect with all of her videos and her information and all the fun that she sparks in her videos. It's just something that I really enjoyed, and what pushed me to, just continue to sew, just continue to sew, continue to sew, and continue to sew. It's just how she had fun with it all. And she also, real quick, and she also makes stuff like for her daughters, and she shares, she just shares, she shares her sewing journey and the sewing up and downs. And here we go. Here is my toaster sweater version 1. You guys already saw a picture of it when it was done. Here is the version 2 that I do like it. I do love it. But I love it because it's perfect for the gym. Yes. So yeah, that's basically the gist of it. She really inspired me, and she's the reason why I purchased this pattern, and she was not wrong. She really did say that this was beginner friendly, and it really, really was. It really gave me the confidence that I needed to continue to sew, regardless of how many times I failed.
So that was that, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I obviously went to Savers. I bought all of these, I found all of these kind of presser foots.
But when I open them, they're all for the Kenmore machine, and I don't know if they'll work for my machine. It's like a ruffler, a walking foot, like the plastic attachments with the plastic foot. So we'll see if I can figure these out. If not, I'm just gonna go ahead and return them, because they can return it, and I can get, store credit for $2.50, and I can use it to buy fabric next week. And and I also bought the item that I'm actually going to remake and actually start working on. And it was $6.99, but it was 25% off. So
I think it must have been like not $6.99. But yeah.
But the next episode is going to be dedicated to Kalurpa, so April's channel on thrifted transformations. And what she does is she goes to Savers and she shops for clothes that are already made, but then she remakes them and transforms them into something that she can actually wear every day. So without further ado, this is what I decided to purchase, and there are these really oversized pants that do not fit me, but just check out the fabric, you guys.
Look how pretty and how spring and summer vibes it gives you.
This gives me, like, it makes me happy. Like, as soon as I saw it, this kind of fabric kind of, I just see myself, wearing this and just going on a bike ride with my kids, I'm picturing some shorts, maybe like a really cute top with some lace in the back. That's what I'm kind of picturing, so we'll see how it goes.
I'm not gonna lie, like that experience, I'll talk about it on the next video, but it was rough. Okay?
But yeah, and that is it. That is actually all that I purchased at Savers. I didn't want any distractions while working on the pants, so I didn't get any new fabric, and I hope that it's still there by Monday. I'm hoping to get a lot done this weekend with these pants. So on my next video, I will be doing the seamstress tag. If you haven't done the seamstress tag, go ahead and send me a DM on Instagram, or go ahead and leave a comment. and that way I can go ahead and tag you. I already am tagging one person.
I had to do some digging and look at all her previous videos to see if she did it, and she hasn't, so no one had tagged her, and I was like, yes, I scored.
But yeah, if you guys are interested in doing the seamstress tag, go ahead and leave a comment or send me a message through Instagram. But yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't just watch me, you guys. Don't just watch me, you know what I mean? Subscribe to my channel. Help me out. Have you done your good deed? If you haven't, just subscribe. But yeah, anyways, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching. And yeah, see you guys on my next video. Bye.